Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me / playlist video. This is like a really last minute video for me. I just thought about it on the top of my head and I got a new camera. So that's the main reason why I wanted to record this video. And yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to catch up with me. And I hope you guys enjoy this get ready with me / playlist video. And yeah, let's get going. So I already do have my eyebrows and primer on, and I am just gonna start from there. For the first song, starring foundation, this is like my top like played music like right now. So yeah, if you guys know it, sing along. If you guys don't know it, then add that shit because it's good.
Okay.
This is like my favorite top songs right now. Favorite one right here.
Kevin Rowland.
Says she want a Netflix and chill. Oh no, I'm doing it like that. Troy, I guess there. I got shit to do, and you are hoes. And I don't play with hoes unless they doing my bros, doing my folks. That bitch be doing the most. What are you doing with her? Cause now Becky said she want a Netflix and chill. I like the beat. She want a Netflix and chill. Concealer just needs blending. This is the next song. It's my favorite.
I see 2K.
Jamal. Ooh.
Get your ball right, get your mind right, get your hustle on, for that limelight.
This one too.
Lot of drugs, lot of hoes, lot of pole, you can't get it for the 30 on my neck, I'm like, fuck it.
I got a gun
So big I can't tuck it. Bitches all up on my neck, hella thirsty. You wasn't with me in the county doing burpees. I ain't got friends, all I got is enemies. Got your bitch in the line like a centipede. Fuck love, I be living life time.
As much as you accuse me of cheating, I might as well.
Say you was solid, you gon' ride for me. If you really love a nigga, do that time for me.
When I was down, you would slide for me.
Crystal packing that you know I keep that 9 on me. Let me put the dick in your life. You tough, you ain't gotta be shy. You my lady, you my baby, she gon' slide. I never shake hands with my opponents. You not a shooter to this shit and you know.
I don't know if y'all know about this one, alright?
What the fuck is going on, bro? Said I started time move riding at the age of 25. Why the fuck you gotta lie? My name good in the wood, yes sir, no surprise. But I ain't got a campaign to live this life. Ain't loyal to my soul when I think he confused.
I think you want me to lose. Ready?
The way he run his mouth got me thinking like, wow. That bitch, you could really run a mile. I done told I ain't slime for the style. On my AC coat, remember, no things allowed.
This is my music.
Mama crib just got raided. My mama crib just got raided.
I fuck with you, little baby, but shit lately been crazy.
Get in tune with yourself.
Yeah,
I made it fall with no help.
yeah,
Get in tune with yourself.
yeah.
I made it fall with no help.
Yeah.
Get down with you. Stay round. It's hard. Went down with you. Stay round. Stay Jordan down. Project support him now.
Hey guys, my camera died. I am so sorry, but this is the final look. If you guys really want like more details on everything, I will most definitely most definitely be willing to do that for you guys. Just let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping updated with me and taking the time out of your day to catch up with me. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It was my first time doing a video like this, so it'll only get better like always. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy the next one. Bye.